In this video we are going to be looking at multiplying and dividing fractions. So for example, if we wanted to do 1/2 times 4/7, first of all, the thing that makes this different from adding and subtracting fractions is that we do not need to get the denominators to be the same. We can make our life a bit easier by cancelling if we can. So by that I mean looking at the numbers on the top and the bottom of both fractions and seeing if there's anything that goes into those numbers. So we've got a 2 at the bottom there and a 4 at the top there. Well, 2 goes into 2 and 2 goes into 4, so we can cancel that down. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 goes 2. Once I'm happy that I've cancelled it down as much as I can, then I can go on and find the answer. To find the answer, you literally multiply the top two numbers together, so 1 times 2 is 2, and then multiply the bottom two numbers together. 1 times 7 is 7. If there is a mixed number, or both are mixed numbers, it's exactly the same, except there's just one more step. First thing we have to do is change the mixed number into a top heavy fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, over the original denominator is 4, multiplied by 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, over the original denominator. So we'll check and see if we can do any cancelling. You can't always, but if you can, then it's much better to do it. And you'll notice that 3 and 9 are in the same times table. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. There's no other cancelling we can do. So top times top, 3 times 11 is 33. Bottom times bottom, 4 times 1 is 4. It might be okay to leave your answer as a top heavy fraction, that's absolutely fine. But if you're asked to turn it back into a mixed number, then remember that a fraction is a division, top divided by bottom. So how many 4s go into 33? Well, 4 8s make 32, so it's going to be 8, and there's a remainder of 1, and we're dividing by 4. So that's multiplying. Dividing is very similar, but with one extra step. Now we don't actually directly divide by a fraction. What we do is we turn the divide into a times and turn the second fraction upside down. Once we've done that, we can just do what we did before to multiply the two together. So again, looking for any cancelling. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. There's no other cancelling I can do there. Top times top, 1 times 11 is 11. Bottom times bottom, 4 times 2 is 8, 11 eighths. If I want to put that back into a top heavy fraction, 11 divided by 8 is 1, remainder 3 divided by 8. Again, if there are any mixed numbers, we'll turn them into top heavy fractions first. So 3 times 2 is 6, add 2 is 8, divided by 5 times 2 is 10, add 2 is 12, over 5. So, as before, we'll turn the divide into a times and turn the second fraction upside down. Do any cancelling. 8 and 12 are both in the 4 times table. So 4 into 8 is 2, 4 into 12 is 3. There's no other cancelling I can do. Top times top, 2 5s, 10. Bottom times bottom, 10 over 9. Which would become 10 divided by 9, 1, remainder 1. So 1 and 1/9.